Once again, welcome to my practical hands-on labs, and today I will walk you through how to enable Power Pivot in Excel. This is the hands-on session is part of the digital course data analysis using Excel. With the Power Pivot, you can work with large datasets, build extensive relationships, and create simple and complex calculations. Some of the benefits or features of Power Pivot is with regards to importation, it enables you to import over millions of rows of data from multiple data sources into a single Excel workflow. By default, Excel allows you to work with approximately slightly above 1 million records, but in reality, organizations have more than 1 million, 5 million, 200 million of data that would require analysis. So Power Pivot allows you to work with big data. It also has a set of functions that capitalizes on data analysis expressions. This collection of function operators and constants usable in formula and expression to calculate values. Very, very nifty and very, very handy when it comes to manipulating or representing your data or the various way of deriving output through calculation like sum, averages, when you're calculating the mean. So those functions are inbuilt within Power Pivot. And then Power Pivot also allows you to visualize and manipulate big data sets using Power Pivot charts and Power BI. And Power BI, whereas basic Excel sheets lack some of these capabilities. So all these are some of the unique and good features of Power Pivot that we will look at in subsequent practical hands-on session. But for today, I'm going to illustrate to you the first step, which is how to enable Power Pivot. So to enable Power Pivot, you just open Excel sheet from the workbook and you come to File, Options, Add-ins, select COM Add-ins, click on Go. You'll see Power Pivot for Excel, Microsoft Power View for Excel. That's it. If you have any other add-in, you can come to Add, select where the file is stored, and then you click on OK. This will be added to your Excel sheet. But since we just want for this session to work with Power Pivot, just make sure that it's enabled, and we will also work with Power View at later dates. The same procedure is used to enable Power View. So after enabling Power View, you just click on OK. So after enabling Power Pivot, how do you access Power Pivot? Now, Power Pivot is stored within the data. It's a data modeling tool within Excel sheet. So you come to data and you'll see manage data model. So you will see the Power Pivot for Excel. So from this dialog box, you'll be able to do so many things, including importing data from the database, from data service, from other sources, existing connection, exploring this. So you can import from Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Azure, Analytic Platform, Access, Oracle, Teradata, Sybase, Informix, IBM DB, others, quite a lot. So we will just select a few in subsequent hands-on, but with time, as you practice, you'll get comfortable with importing data and manipulating it from within Power Pivot. So clearly, Power Pivot is a very, very powerful tool. It actually destroys the myth that Excel, you can't use Excel with big data, but with tools like Power Pivot, you're actually able to play around with big data from within Excel, as you will see in subsequent practical hands-on session. And speaking about subsequent practical hands-on session, do not miss any. I'll be uploading them on a continuous basis, and for you to get a notification, subscribe to my channel, because the next slide is going to be how to create a Power Pivot in Excel. We've enabled it, now we're going to create a Power Pivot in Excel. Until next time, thank you very much.